Okay, so question 9 asks us to write a subroutine that returns true if a certain score is at least the value of a passing score. It should return false otherwise. That's like me asking you a question, did you pass your exam? And you would say to me, oh, it depends on what the pass scoring was, sir, and depends on what score I got. Ah, okay, well, they become, therefore, the parameters to the function. So let's call def, and let's say did pass. Pass one, did not pass. Let's say we've got the student score and the pass mark. They're the two parameters that we were talking about. Well, we could do something like this. We could say if the student score was at least as big, in other words, greater than or equal to the pass mark, then we're going to return true. Else, we're going to return false. Okay, so if the student got at least as big as the pass mark, in other words, student score is greater than or equal to pass mark, then we're going to return true. In other words, they did pass, i.e. they did pass. And if they return false, that would be i.e. they did not pass, so they failed, in other words. Okay. So we could do that. Now, that's absolutely fine. There is a slightly shorter way of doing that. We could, instead of saying if this condition, student score is greater than or equal to pass mark, return true, else return false, we could just simply say this, return student score greater than or equal to pass mark. Okay, and don't need all this then. Okay, so if this is true, then we return true. If this thing here, is false, then we're going to return false. Okay, so let's test to see whether that works. So we're going to say print did pass. Let's say the student got 34% and the pass mark was 40%. Well, we expect this to say false. Okay, let's see. False. They didn't pass, didn't get enough. Let's test this now with 40. So they just passed. True, they passed just. And let's try, they got 90. And true again. 90 is definitely a pass.